Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dr. Naveed Shair. I am working as orthopedic surgeon based in Lahore. We offer orthopedic services by the name of NAS Orthopedics for the treatment of simple, complicated fractures including pelvic fractures, pediatric orthopedic problems, spine problems, and many more. Apart from the general orthopedics, my special area of interest is sports injury, arthroscopy, and joint replacement surgery. We offer services of arthroscopy for ligamentous injuries and soft tissue reconstruction of knee and shoulder joint, as well as joint replacement surgery for knee joint, hip joint, and shoulder joint. My aim is to provide complete, comprehensive, and cost-effective treatment for the people of Pakistan. If you have any query or if you want to reach us, you can contact through social media platform including Facebook, Instagram, as well as WhatsApp. Thank you very much.